service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lookout County and north central Illinois until 3:15 p.m. At 2:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bureau Junction or near Hennepin, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Peru, LaSalle, Spring Valley, Oglesby, North Utica, Wayne, Tonka, Grand Ridge, Nat Lake, Lofton, Cedar Point, Kangley, and Leavenworth, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 58, Interstate 80 between mile markers 73 and 75. This includes Buffalo Rock State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Mathewson State Park, and Starved Rock State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.